Miranda says, my standard poodle came from an Amish puppy mill. He was tortured, weighed 32 pounds, hair matted and long. He's now 60 pounds. Well, thank you for rescuing that puppy. Good. Yeah. Oh, Nick's gonna love that portrait. It was beautiful. Jason did a portrait of Nick. He did one of me too. I appreciate that. Anne says, you'll read stories of sled dogs dying from exertion. It's cruel. Yeah. Elizabeth says, yeah, my Tyson baby. Now we have bird friends and fish friends in addition to our 2 dogs. And yeah, those dogs live on forever. They're in our hearts forever. Really important. Anne says, be kind to all animals and creatures in this world.